have help life ID? Yes. Okay. If you have help life ID, what you can do is you can no you can you know what you can do. I can create a Microsoft Teams. I can add you inside. I only can add help life ID b da 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 and live at helplife.edu.my. You have that. So what you do, can you log in your Microsoft Teams with your help life ID? Can you log in? If you can log in, you know what? You can, oh, you cannot. Okay. You know what? Okay, never mind. You know why I thought if you can log in, you can take out the recording yourself. Because only those with help live ID can go inside and take out the recording. Never mind, I will upload. It's okay. No problem. Okay, come. So I'm going to start the class. Okay, it's quite disappointing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 out of 29. Yes? Your class got how many people? 29? How many people came for midterm? I heard 5 people never come midterm. Do you remember who's the class monitor? Who's the monitor? My monitor. Do you know what's the number of students in your class? Do you know what's the number? You don't know, huh? Okay, never mind. Come. Let's look into the questions. Now, like you see here, I mentioned your exam, your final exam, you will have only one section with 5 questions. It's all here. It's the first page. Okay. You have 5 questions, 5 problem solving questions, but you will answer only 4 questions. Only 4. Okay. But don't decide the 4 today. Decide the 4 on the exam day. You practice everything. Okay. Okay. Can you practice everything on the day of exam? You decide which 4 questions you're going to answer. Because if you decide on 4 now, and on the day of the exam, you open your exam paper, and let's say you do not know how to do 1, then you're left with 3. Then that becomes very dangerous. Okay. So what are the 5 topics related? Number 1, there is a question on incomplete record single entry. Now, this question shouldn't be difficult for you. You know why? This topic is almost the same with club and societies. You understand? The only difference is in midterm, you do as club and societies. In finals, you're going to do it as a business. That's it. 2 different things. Are you with me? Next, you have a question on partnership dissolution. Okay. Now, watch here. Why did I highlight these 2 first? My proposal. Make sure these 2 you do. Because these 2 can easily help you. These 2 can easily help you. Okay. Next, you have a question on preparing statement of comprehensive income, statement of financial position, and statement of change in equity. Okay, this question is quite lengthy. Okay, but easy to earn marks. Easy to earn marks. When I do this in Malaysia, they're like, so long. Yes, it is long. But I see in the exam, most of them will answer this question because you know what? Easy to earn marks. I'm just giving you tips. Huh? You don't follow me. I'm giving you based on experience. Okay. Next, you have a question on statement of cash flow. Okay. Statement of cash flow, personally, is the most difficult. In that whole 5 question, statement of cash flow is the most difficult. But if your accounting is strong, then cash flow is very easy. Yeah, okay. This is what I tell in Malaysia. Come, guys, look here, look here, look here. In Malaysia, I tell this. In order to determine how good your accounts is, do statement of cash flow. If you can do statement of cash flow, then your accounts is good. You know why? Statement of cash flow, you must know everything. You understand? So if you can do your statement of cash flow confidently, then come. Then your accounts is quite strong. Okay. Next. Okay. This is another question. Accounting for limited liability. Okay. This one is a combination of chapter 1, 2, 3, and 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Whereby this question is broken into small little pieces. The first part, you will be given a list of transaction on issue of shares until forfeiture of shares. Okay, so you have to do all the journal entry. Next, you also will have theory questions. Okay, and what you will do in theory questions, your theory questions can be public, private, ordinary preference, bonus issue, rights issue, final dividend, interim dividend. Something from there is in the theory. You understand? So these are the 5 topics. So my job is to do revision for you for all this. Your exam, you practice this and this and this and only this. Okay? This will prepare you for your exam. Because your exam questions, I put everywhere. So if you can do this paper confidently, bingo. You don't pass the paper. You get credit at least. I don't like to hear the word pass. I like the word minimum credit, CR1. You want the one? Do you want or do you want pass or do you want CR? You want CR or DI? You want CR or DI? DI or HD? Do the paper. Okay. So now what I do in the morning, I will do, okay, today class is 9 to 6, but don't worry, I won't drag until 6. The moment you are tired, your brain say bye-bye, I'll say bye-bye. Okay. Then we continue tomorrow, 5 hours. Okay. But for me, most important, I want to finish up minimum 3 areas today, which is I want to finish up incomplete record. I want to finish up dissolution. I want to finish up statement of comprehensive income. Statement of comprehensive income, I'll do after lunch. So tomorrow I can do the share capital double entry and cash flow. Okay. Are you okay? Yes, no? Say yes. Say yes. Thank you. In Malaysia, I will tell students, when you say yes, the shilling must come down. That's how loud your voice is supposed to be. Okay, good. Come. Okay. Now this is for me. So if you can't see, don't worry because you already have your questions with you, correct? Okay, good. Good morning. Okay, come. I'm looking at the first question. Okay, the questions that you are seeing in this paper, the question that you see in this paper are all past year questions. These revision questions are all the past year revision questions of Vietnam and Malaysia. Real exam questions. Okay, but it's a very old one. That's why I'm using it. All right. That's why I say if you can do these questions, is very good. Okay. Now let me start with you. Watch here. The first topic is related to incomplete records. Correct. Now, what is the meaning of incomplete records? What is the meaning of incomplete records? Look at me. What's the meaning of incomplete records? The records are not complete. Why the records are not complete? Because these reports are prepared by people who do not have sufficient accounting knowledge, which means they have prepared the report based on single entry. Are you with me? So now you are going to help them to prepare the full set of accounts. All right. So based on what I share with you, in the midterm revision, when you are given when you're given two information, one is beginning of the year, the other is end of the year. Yes or not? This beginning of the year will represent your balance BD. Okay? And end of the year will represent balance CD. Are you with me? Right? Then you will be given the bank account and you'll be given additional information. And you watch here. What did I ask you to prepare? A, prepare profit loss statement. B, prepare statement of financial position. Now, my question to you, did I ask you to prepare the workings? No. Midterm exam, I told you, correct or not? Here, did I ask you? No. But, please do your workings. Because you know why? Your workings will save you. Because if you don't do workings, let's say you put your sales amount there. And if it's wrong, that sales amount is 2.5 marks. If you're wrong, zero straight. But if you have a workings, I will go and check your workings. Maybe you get 1.5 marks. So, although I did not ask you to show the workings, you must show the workings. Because I am a person who will check the workings. I'm repeating again because in Malaysia, some students always do that. They do workings. You know where they do workings? Question paper. They do workings in question paper. They put the answer in answer paper. Answer is wrong, gone. I cannot see your workings. So do your workings inside the paper, like how you did for your midterm exam. All right. Okay, good. So I'm going to start out with question number 1, workings. Let's do the workings first. Huh? Okay, come. So your workings, which one of the workings do you do? All this. All these are your workings. Okay? Come, let's do. We do number 1, then you try number 2. Okay? Okay, number 1. First one, we're going to prepare the motor vehicles. Brought down. How much is motor vehicles brought down? Sorry? 80, yeah? Okay. Did you buy any motor vehicle during the year? Yes. Yes, you bought a motor vehicle amounting to how much? 15,000. So, bank acquisition 15,000. So, what's the total? 95. Then minus your motor vehicles carried down. How much? 88. So therefore, depreciation expense, how much? 7,000. And accumulated is also 7,000. Yes or not? Can follow? Can I? Okay, good. So, where does this go to? This one goes to P&L. This one goes to statement of financial position. Are you following me? Can I? Okay, number 2. What are you going to prepare? Accounts receivable. Always remember, same thing please bring highlighter to your exam. You can use highlighter on the question paper. Okay? Can? Now, what's your accounts receivable brought down? 56,000. What's your accounts receivable carried down? 64,000, correct? Good. So this is done. This two is done. Guys, if I'm going too fast, please do let me know. Yes. Okay, done. Next, how much you receive from accounts receivable? So bank is 60,000. Next, what else do you have? Okay, in the midterm, your accounts receivable and accounts payable, you have lesser details. But for incomplete records, final exam, I make it more details. So therefore, what other details do we have? There is a discount allowed. How much is discount allowed? Discount allowed is 900. Discount allowed. What else do we have? We have sales return of 1,800. What else do we have? We have bad debts, which is 300. Correct? So from here, we can calculate our credit sales. So sales, which is on credit, will be. Are you with me? But is this the total sales? No. So total sales will be, I put here, total sales will be cash plus credit. Cash how much? 10,000. Credit how much? 71. So total is 1,000. Are you following me? So whatever you are done, you can always highlight and keep, because when you are able to highlight, it stops confusion. Are you with me? Can follow so far? Can I? Awesome. Wait, let me double check whether it's recording all okay. Okay, good. Now, next one, what do we prepare? Next one, what do we prepare? Accounts payable. Same concept, right? Let me draw the line first. Okay, now let me ask you something before I continue. Let me divert out. In your class, you learn until which chapter? Because his class ACC302 never finish all the topics, correct or not? Your class, did you finish all the topics? Until where you all learned? Until where you all learned? Oh, you learn until statement of cash flow. Okay, good enough. Because no ratio. No ratio. You learn until statement of cash flow lah. Okay, then good. Only you lah 302. Okay, come. What's your balance brought down? But are you okay? Do you understand? It's almost similar to ACC 101. Yes or not? Okay, good. Balance brought down how much for payable? 40? 48. And carried down? Balance carried on is 50,000. So this is also done. Okay, what else go here? Okay, before that, go step by step. You have a payment to accounts, payable. How much? Bank is 45. Next, you have discount, received. How much? 1,200. Discount received, 1,200. What else do you have? Purchase return. Purchase 2,300. So from here, I can calculate my credit purchase. So purchases on credit. So now I calculate my total purchase. Yes or not? Cash purchase how much? 9,000. And credit purchase is 52,500. Are you all with me so far? Can follow? Am I going too fast? All can follow? Can I? Okay, good. Next. Number 4. What account do we prepare? Inventories, do you need to prepare? No need. Inventories, just remember, this is beginning inventory. This one is ending inventory. That's it. No need to do workings, okay? Next, what do you do? Prepaid insurance. So prepaid insurance. What's your brought down? 4,500. Carry down 7,000. How much is bank? 14,000. 14,400. So therefore, 18,900. So this goes to P&L. P&L. You know what P&L means, right? P&L means profit loss statement. Are you with me? Okay, what's next? You have accrued salaries, correct or not? Yes, people? So let's do this. Number 5. Accrued salaries. How much brought down? 8,000. Carry down 13,500. How much you paid? Salaries is 21,000. So how much goes to P&L? Can? Are you okay? Can follow? Okay, now let me ask you something. In the midterm, when we did club and societies, did we calculate bank? No, because I said not necessary because you are not doing the whole balance sheet. But now, are you preparing the whole balance sheet? So you must calculate your bank. Number 6. Bank account. Okay, this one you want to do like this is up to you. Okay, now bank account. Okay, let me put it like this. Bank account. What's your balance brought down? 20,000. Okay, what's your total receipts? No need to write one by one. Don't waste time. 60,000 plus 10,000 plus 9,000. Total payment 9,000, 45, 21, 14,400, 15, 1, and 6. Correct? Did you get the same answer with me? Sure. Correct, huh? 9, 45, 21, 14,400, 50. Correct? Huh? Okay, good. So therefore, debit bigger or credit bigger? Sorry? I think credit is bigger. Correct not? So 11,400, 11,400. So balance CD how much? 13,400. Correct or not? So this now will go to current asset or current liability? Current asset or current liability? Positive or negative? Negative. So it goes to current liability. Okay? Can? Okay, boy. Do you understand anything I can help you? Please don't be shy, huh? All this. All this. Some students will do or not, they copy back whole thing. No need, no need. Because it's workings. You don't have to copy back. It's just the workings. You don't have to do this. You even can do this. I no need to do account. You can also do like this. You can put here bank account equals to 20,000 plus 78,000 minus 111,400 equals to. Okay. You can also do like this. No problem. Okay. Up to you. You want to do maths? You want to do ledger? It's up to you. Workings. Are you with me? Awesome. Okay. Now, too smaller. Better? Is it bigger? Okay, good. Now, I done everything, correct or not? I have done everything, yes or no? But one more working is missing. What is it? What is it? No. One more is missing. You know what? Always remember, you must also calculate your beginning. Correct? How you calculate beginning capital? Beginning capital means is capital as at 1 Jan 2018. So what do you do? Asset as at 1st Jan 2018. Okay? Okay, I tell you this one. Don't do mistake like some students do. They just calculate the total and put. Don't. Write down one by one. You know why? If you put total, you make mistake, you lost all the marks. But if you list down, wherever you correct, you get marks. Right? So let's start one by one. We have motor vehicle. How much? 80,000. Some more. Account receivable. 56. Inventory. 30. Prepaid. Insurance. 4,005. Bank. 20. So this is your total asset. Less liabilities as at 1st Jan 2018. What are your liabilities? Account payables 48 and accrued salaries. How much? 8,000. So your capital as at 1st Jan Are you with me? So once you finish these workings, actually you don't have to look into the question so much because all the information, not all, most of the information are already in your workings. Are you guys together? Do I make sense to all of you? Can? Any questions so far? How do you develop confidence in this question? To develop confidence in this question, you must be able to do this complete question within 30 minutes. Workings plus P&L plus balance sheet. Are you with me? Can I move on? You all are copying answer. I'll give you the Excel. Don't worry. I'll give you the Excels. No problem. Can I move on? All okay? All right, good. So now, Q1, now only I'm doing the answer. So I'm going to do the profit loss statement for the year ended 31st December 2018. Can see, yeah? Okay, good. So how do we start? How do we start our P&L? People, how do we start our P&L? Sales. How much is sales? We did already before, right? Sales is 81. Less. Sales return. How much is sales return? 1,800, correct? So you get your net sales of 10. Next, less cost of sales or cost of goods sold. You learn as cost of sales, good. So inventory as at 1st Jan 2018, how much? 30,000. So done. 30,000. Next, you have purchases. How much? 61. Okay, less. Purchases return. How much? 2,300 in the question. Correct now, people? Guys, okay, wait. Am I going too fast? Okay, I tell this in Malaysia. You cannot ride and listen together. You know why? I do one exercise for you. I don't know whether I did this exercise for you in ACC101. Let's do the exercise. Take a hand. Take a hand. Okay. Let's try. One do like this. One do like this. One do like this. Okay now. Round. Two. That change. Oh, change. Okay now. Okay now. One punch, one drop. Okay? Okay? Now change. Change. The one punch is a drop. I use it because you know what? We can't synchronize two things at the same time because one of them will fail. You know why I'm doing this exercise? Because I tell you that I want you to be simple to see how I feel. You understand? Because later when you do the exercise, I will upload this answer immediately for your reference. You understand? Because most important is that you see this topic on incomplete record is very easy as long as you know where to take what information. That is the most important. You understand? Because in Malaysia, there's one girl actually tell you a story. When I write, she also write. After I finish writing, okay guys, let's move on. Then she said, Mr. Manawan, can you explain the one I don't understand? So you never listen. You understand? Because when you copy, you want to copy what is there. Your calculation is there. So whatever this one will go down. Yeah, no, I'm not scolding you now. This is just a sharing. Okay? Okay, just listen first how we do. Then you try yourself. Okay? Thank you. Now, so how much is the net purchases? Correct? Okay, good. Now done. So we add this both. You get cost of goods available for sales. Next, you list your inventory at the ending 31st December 2018. How much? 35,000. Then you get your cost of sales. Okay, so this is done. So now you can calculate your gross profit. How much your gross profit? This minus this. Okay, now let me ask you something. Until here, any problem? As per the format. Do you understand? Can, huh? Okay, now we'll add other income. Do we have other income? Yes. Other income. What you have? First one is commission. It's here. Huh? How much is commission? 8,000. What else do you have? Discount received. How much? 1,200, correct? Yes, no? Okay. You get 9,200. So total is going to be correct. Next, you're going to less your operating expense. So where do you take your operating expense from? My tips for you. Straight go here first. Check your workings first. Check your workings. Because you know why? If you go and look here, remember this information that you see here are unadjusted information. Some of them you already adjusted, correct now? So whatever you have highlighted is adjusted. So the best thing, go back to your workings and check one by one. So the first thing what you have? Depreciation expense. So depreciation of vehicle. How much? 7,000. Okay, good. What else? What else is there? Done. This one done. Done. Okay, we have insurance and salaries. Insurance. Salaries. Insurance, how much? 11,009. Salaries? 26,500. Correct? Okay, good. Anything else? Nothing. Now you go back to the question. Any other expenses left out? Any expenses we left out? We not highlight. What is it? The sundry expense. Okay. Sundry. How much? Okay. I want to ask you something. What does sundry expense means? Do you know? Do you know? Sundry lah, we call it sundry. Sundry expense means various expense. All the little expense combined together become sundry expense. Another name for sundry expense is miscellaneous expense. Okay. So sundry means various. You check in the dictionary. Even I learned like that. What is this sundry? Last time I don't see the word sundry. When I was student, we see it as miscellaneous. Then only I noticed as sundry. Then I check Google. What does sundry means? Various. So various little expenses combined together become one. Okay. Now, any other expense? No more, right? So I can calculate my total expense. So is it a profit or a loss? It's a loss, huh? So, net. Okay, come, let's move on. Next. Okay, so far for profit loss statement, any problem? I think doing the profit loss statement balance sheet is only a ACC 101. Correct? Next, we do the statement of financial position as at non-current assets. What do you have? You have motor vehicle, correct not? How much a motor vehicle? How much a motor vehicle, guys? See here, 80 plus 15 equals to 95. Okay? Less accumulated depreciation of give you. Okay? Now, let me ask you something. Can you write motor vehicle 88 straight? The balance sheet will balance, but you don't get full marks. Because remember, when you do balance sheet, you must always put the historical cost. So the historical cost must be there, and the historical cost must be reduced by the depreciation to show the net book value. So don't do like, sometimes some students do like this. They do like this. You do like this, you don't get full marks. Are you with me? So you have to put the cost. You have to put the cost minus your accumulated depreciation. Are you with me? Okay, good. Next, we have the current assets. First one, you have bank. Bank we calculated, right? No. Bank is debit or credit? It's supposed to be current liabilities, correct? Yes? So we ignore. So bank cannot go in. Next, accounts receivable. Where do you take this information from? See here. Accounts receivable will be how much? 64. 64. Next, what else you have? You have ending inventories. How much? 35. Next, what do you have? Prepaid insurance. How much? 7,000. So total. Next, you have current liabilities, which is accounts payable. How much? And you also have accrued. This is 52,000. And accrued salaries. How much? 13,500. So this will give you a net assets. Are you with me? Very good. Bank over craft. Can? Can follow? Awesome. Next, you have bonus equity, which is capital as at 1st January 2018. We calculated, right? How much? 134, 500, correct? Then net loss. Then you have drawings. How much is drawings? Not same. Ah, I know why. Did we put in our discount allowed here? Did we put in our bad debts? No, right? Discount allowed. How much discount allowed? And bad debts? 300. Same. Total equity. Same, huh? Are you all with me? Easy or not? Tell me sincerely, easy or not? It's easy, right? But you must practice. Okay, now I'm going to do something with you. Wait, 1 minute. Let me just do all the lines first. I send you this one now. Give me a minute. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to do this with you now. Okay? You are going to do question number 2. Only the workings. Only the workings. Okay, I tell you how long I give you. Ten minutes. Try 10 minutes. I want to walk to you. I want to see 10 minutes you do until where? Not enough time, I give you another 5 minutes. Okay. Now I send you this one. Wait 1 minute. I'll upload the answer in the LMS now. Okay, you can check your LMS. I already uploaded the answer. 10 minutes starts now. Something for you to see. Ah, okay. That oh, you finished. It's fine. Partnership. Exam paper got two exam paper. One exam paper. you will be very surprised to see how good you are. Seriously, I'm telling you, when you do like this, you're pushed, right? You'll be very surprised. Oh my God, I am good. You should have that confidence. Confidence, I'm telling you. You feel that confidence coming out of you. That's what I said, you. How many of you from Miss Karen's class yesterday? Karen, ACC200. How many of you ACC200? Dr. Sharmina's class? Sharmina. Eco, let's P. No, eco. Yes, Dr. Sharmina teach eco. Yeah. How many of you eco? P or eco? Dr. Sharmina teach eco. Pin. Pin what? One more eco. So those two class for mine are practically. Don't see here. No, don't you don't mind. You're learning. Right. Don't see that kind of because you know why? You want to know what you know. Okay, boy, okay? Let me see. Copy. Right. You can check your work. You check your own work. Don't check others. Check. You can look at your own work, but don't look at others. Because I want to know what you really see. Finish. Go. Okay. You done? No, you're done. Finish. Finish. You also think, oh, beginning cap, not as a beginning cap. Beginning cap. I just put asset, don't need to see this. Just put asset. All assets, all liability. Right. Then, that's why you're doing correctly is point. What do you think? What do you think? Which one? Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance. Huh? Okay. Now, how many of you pass prepaid insurance? How many of you until three payables? Okay, now okay, continue. You know what? Your confidence level, 10 minutes. Working is 10 minutes. 10 to 15. 10 to 15. Because you know why? I am training you to do the whole question 30 minutes. So you must train yourself on that. Okay? But I tell you, the moment you practice and practice and practice, then I do. Finish up all the working until accrued commission revenue, your bank balance, and also capital balance. Okay? Now fast. I'll discuss it. Continue. I give you another 10 minutes. Now we spend 38. I'll stop at spend 40. 10, 48. What are you doing now, boy? Yeah. Maybe first time you're doing that. If I give you another time to do what, you will be faster something. Always time yourself. Boy, you okay, boy? Okay? Can you do? Practice, I don't want to see. I want to see you next semester for year 3. Okay? I don't see your finance. Okay. I see. How many people accounting major program? Accounting major? 1, 2. Accounting major. 3. You accounting major. 1, 2, 3. You finish graduate. 2, 3, 4. So maybe I see your next. If I teach 302. Proper reporting. Your senior is here. Got it? I do not know. That's really interesting. How long more you need? Another 9 minutes, huh? Okay, come. I think we discussed lah. Huh? Yes. Cool. Better? Okay. Tell me, guys. Can Okay, come. Let's try. Shall we? Okay, I think my screen is being shared. Recording on. Now, the first workings we're going to do for what? Motor vehicle, correct? What's your motor vehicle brought down? 200,000. Next, any acquisition of motor vehicle? Bank acquisition is 20,000, giving you a total of 220,000, correct? Next, motor vehicle carried down. How much? 210,000. So depreciation will be 10,000 and accumulated depreciation will be. Are you all with me? Okay. Do we have to do the same thing for furniture? Yes, So let's do furniture. Next. Furniture brought down how much? Okay. Any purchase of new furniture? No, So your bank is zero, Equals to 120,000. Furniture carried down? 110,000. So also 10,000, correct? Okay, good. Next. Number 3 is accounts receivable, correct, guys? What's your balance brought down of accounts receivable? 70,000. Please check your answer, because after this, you are going to prepare the P&L and balance sheet by yourself. Okay? Balance carried down how much? 80,000. How much payment made by receivables? 78. Any discount? How much? 800. Next, you have sales return. How much? Any bad debts? How much? Very good. So you can calculate your credit sales. Sales on credit becomes 94,800, correct? Okay, good. So any cash sales? 5,000. Credit sales? 94 equals to. Did all of you get this? 2.5 marks. Okay. Next, accounts payable. What's your balance brought down? 55. Balance carried down 60,000. Bank 45, right? Correct? Can I following? Any discount received? Any purchase return? 3. Total. So your purchases on credit is equals to 54,000. Do you have cash purchase? How much? 7,000. Credit purchase 54 equals to. Did you all get the same? 2 marks. 2 marks. Okay. Next. Number 5. You have your prepaid insurance. How much balance brought down? 10,000. Balance carry down 8,000. Huh? Bank 24. 34,000. 34,000. Here. You got it correct? 1.5 marks. Next. Number 6. Accrued salaries. Balance brought down how much? 20,000. Balance carry down. Bank 68,000. 83. 83. So P&L is? Yes or no? All okay? 1.5 marks. Wow, so easy. Yeah. Can you see HD1 somewhere? Open your eyes. Look for HD1. Can you see HD1? Are you more confident to get HD1? HD1 or HD2? HD1 or HD2? I do not know what is DI1, DI2 all. I know only 3 grades. HD1, HD2, fail. Which one? HD1, HD2 or fail? Don't know. Okay, come, let's move on. Next. Number 7. Accrued commission revenue. This is an asset. Yes or not? Balance brought down. How much? 2,000. Balance carry down. 4,000. Bank 6,000. So 10,000. 10,000. So P&L is 8,000. Are you all following me? People? Next, we have bank account. Bank account. Debit or credit balance? Debit, right? What's your total balance brought down? 10,000. Total receipt? 78 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. Total payment? 45, 20, 68, 24, 7, 5, 2, 7, and 1. So, again, credit balance, yes or not? So, balance carry down will be. Do you get the same answer with me? Yes or no? Correct, huh? Okay, next. Number 9. Calculate the beginning capital as 1st January 2019, correct? Okay, let's see all the assets. Okay, what's the first asset? What's the first asset, guys? You have bank, correct not? Yes? Hello, people, are you all with me? 10,000. Shall we? Motor vehicles, how much? 200. Furniture? 120. Trade receivables? 70. Next. Inventories? 35. Next, you have prepaid insurance. How much? 10. And accrued commission revenue. How much? 2,000. Correct now, guys? Are you with me? Next, you have liabilities as at 1st January 2019. You have your trade payables. How much? Trade payables, how much? 55, correct? Next, you have accrued salaries. How much? So capital as at 1st January 2019 become 372. Okay, let me ask you, how many of you got all this correct? Very good. How many of you got 80% correct? Okay, good. The rest of you, very bad, is it? A lot of mistakes. Do you have a lot of mistakes? No, all correct, huh? Boy, you all okay? Sure. Yes. Okay, now, I will save this. I will save this. I will upload this again. Okay, I'll upload this. Okay. You can look at this, no problem. Okay. And you know what? I want you to prepare the income statement balance sheet. I'm giving you the workings ready now. Okay, now I given you the answer. Okay. Now I give you only now 15 minutes. Okay, come. 15 minutes. You can refer to the Microsoft Excel I upload in HLMS. It has answers for all your workings. If you have done yours, you follow that. If you have not done, you follow the workings. Because now I want to see how you make use of the workings plus the question to do your P&L and balance sheet. Everything is there. Now you need to put in the right way and do it. Okay? 15 minutes. Yeah, right. I want all of you to show me. Yeah. People, I want each one of you to show me. Okay? For me to know where you are. Come. P&L 7 minutes, balance sheet 8 minutes. Where are you now? Finish your P&L? Doing your balance sheet? You should be doing your balance sheet now, huh? Last 2 minutes. Balance. Oh. Anybody finish? I got one finish. Balance, balance. Very good. Anyone some more balance? When I discuss the answer, I want you to mark your paper. Okay? Mark your paper, tick your paper. Huh? All right? So that you can be more confident on what to do next time. Balance? Done. Come. Come, guys. Let's look into the P&L. Okay. Let's start. We are doing profit loss statement for the year ended 31st December 2019, correct? What's your sales? Do we know our sales, guys? Sales is 99,800 less sales return. That is equals to 2,500, correct? People, please do respond. Correct? Yes, no? Next, you have less cost of sales, where you have your inventory on 1st January 2019. How much? 35. Next, you have purchases. How much? 61,000. Less purchases return. How much? 3,000, correct? That equals to 58,000, correct? Next, you have add carriage inwards. How much carriage inwards? 2,000, correct? So this gives you your cost of goods available for sales, which is then less your inventory ending on 31st December 2018. How much? 40,000. Give you your cost of sales of 55, correct? Yes or no? Yes, no? You all got it? So you get your gross profit of that. Can? Are you following me? Okay, good. Next one. Add other income. The first one you have commission received. We did workings, right? Commission revenue is 8,000, correct? What else do we have? Bad debts recovered. How much is bad debts recovered? 1,000. Then you have discount received. How much? 1,000. That equals to 10,000, 52,300. Am I correct? You guys following? Okay, good. Let's increase first, huh? Less operating expenses. So the first thing you do is go to your workings. You have your depreciation motor vehicle, depreciation furniture, yes? Depreciation expense for motor vehicle and depreciation expense for how much is it? 10,000 and 10,000, correct? What else do we have? Insurance and salaries. Insurance, how much? 26,000, correct? Salaries, how much? 63,000, yes or no? People, are you all with me? All following? Okay, good. Nothing in here. Now let's go to the question. We have secretary expense. How much? 5,000. Next, you have maintenance. How much? Next, what do you have? Discount allowed. How much? And you have bad debts. How much? 3,500. So total expenses. So profit or loss? Net loss of. Okay, let me ask you, how many of you got this answer correctly? Okay, very good. You? Same. Not same. Why, huh? Do you know where's the mistake? Do you understand the mistake? Sure. Girl, you? Same. A lot of mistake? Where was the mistake? You put it down. So must be careful, huh? Can you think that? Put it up under cost of sales. Can? Right? You same answer, boys? Same. Same. You same, huh? Not same. Why, huh? Down. Okay. So now you understand, huh? So next time you know how, you see, yeah? After doing this exercise, you'll be more alert. Can? Awesome. Okay, let's look into the statement of financial position for 2019. What is the first asset you have? Motor vehicle. How much is motor vehicle? 220 less accumulated depreciation. 10,210. Then you have furniture which is 120 less accumulated depreciation, 110, giving you a total of 320, correct? Awesome. Next, you have your current assets. We start off with trade receivables. How much? It's in the question, right? Okay. Always remember when you do your balance sheet, you only take the end of the year figures. This one. So trade receivable is 80,000. Inventories 40. Next, prepaid insurance 8,000. Accrued commission revenue 4,000. So this is your total asset, followed by current liabilities, which is trade payables. How much? 60. Accrued salaries. How much? 15 equals to 75. So your net asset followed by equity capital as at 1st January 2019. We calculated, right? That amounts to 372. Something is not right, huh? Okay, then I will come back to it later. Net loss, how much? Net loss is 73. Drawings 1,000. The answer is not same. Something is not right. Did we put everything correctly? Yes. Okay. No wonder. Thank you. Bank overdraft. How much? 79,000. Same? Can? Okay. You should be able to do these questions confidently. Can? Okay, that is question number 3, correct now? For you to do at home. Can? Okay. Do you want a break? 15 minutes? 10 minutes? 10 minutes, huh? Once you come back, we do dissolution. Dissolution is the easiest in the exam. Okay? Take 10 minutes and come back.
I don't know why. First, we already calculate cell return here to have the cell.
Give me a pencil. Okay, I want to put here. Paper. Okay, I explain to you. We learn double entry. Double entry. Correct? 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 That's a sales return here. How much? Correct?
Yeah.
There's trade receivables here. Correct? So where does it go? Correct or not?
Yes.
This one is inside trade receivables. This one, where does it go? Okay, this one, when you do trial balance, you have trade receivables, some balance here, then you have sales return here. Correct or not? How much? This one, where does it go? It goes here, right? Goes here.
I just wanted to ask that why you already last here to like calculate their sell on credit and
Yep.
you one more pound.
Yes, because you see, watch here. This one is before or after sales return? Before what? This one minus this is this.
Yeah.
So to get this one plus this is this. So this is with returns or without returns? Without. So when you do PNL, must have with. So that's why without minus return, you get an answer.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.